Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to buy some Pube Finance with the lowest fees possible. Pube Finance is currently priced at this rate. It seems it's pretty cheap. I'll show you how to buy it with the lowest fees, but let me know in the comment section down below what is the price at when you're watching the video. The volume is already at $1 million and it's not even 24 hours since it's out on CoinMarketCap. So before we start, keep in mind that this video is no financial advice. I'm just a random dude on the internet sharing his opinion, but you should definitely like the video for the algorithm and subscribe if you're new. The cool thing when you subscribe is actually upload over 20 of these videos every single day for your value. So if you want to learn about the hottest newest cryptocurrencies first, subscribe with bell notifications on. So Pube, how do you buy it? Well, you need a few things. First, you need a wallet. Personally, I use the MetaMask.io wallet, so go to MetaMask.io, click on download now, add it as a Google Chrome extension. You also need BNB. I buy my BNB with the lowest fees on Binance. You can sign up for Binance using the link in the description down below. Then, because they have the lowest fees, then transfer the BNB to MetaMask. Then what you need to do is actually go on their website, pube.finance. Let me refresh it real quick. Then click on buy on Pancakeswap, which will redirect you to Pancakeswap. Import the contract, just like so. And now integrate your MetaMask, and now you can swap your BNB for Pube. If the video helped you out, give me a like, and I'll see you in one of the next videos. Bye.